So another example of how the sound really elevates the game is in this film here, as the tornado's approaching the house, especially living here in Tornado Alley, if you're not careful, it'll get you a little too close to home. But you hear the house creaking and breaking and falling apart, and it's just all around you. And you know, the way they added some sounds that were almost like growls and almost like an evil type of tone to it. And you hear that move around you in that circular motion. And when this scene finally ends, I'm almost panting, you know, like, I got to take a break, you know, because it's just so intense, you know, and the way you can't get that experience without not only surround sound, but a system that is built and tuned to facilitate what the director intended that moment to feel like. So for most of us, that experience has been going to the movie theater. Well, I can't go to the movie theater and watch this movie again. It's not in the theater. But if I could do that at home and have that incredible experience, it's like, oh yeah, that's cool. That's really fun.